Everybody is looking for that next big idea. But what if your next creative breakthrough is just one conversation with AI away? Let's find out. We all know those moments. A sudden flash of brilliance, a gut feeling that leads to something amazing. But let's be real, you can't just schedule inspiration. Or can you? Here's the twist. AI isn't just about answers. It's about asking better questions and seeing patterns you might miss. When you brainstorm with AI, you're bouncing ideas off an endlessly curious partner. It helps you challenge assumptions, spark fresh connections, and even push your imagination into overdrive. Want to get more intuitive? Try giving AI your wildest what-ifs. Let it remix your thoughts. Or ask it to surprise you with connections between random topics. Suddenly, you're not staring at a blank page. You're riding a wave of fast, fearless creativity. So next time you're stuck, grab your favorite AI tool and start a conversation. Who knows? Your next brilliant idea could be just one curious prompt away. Debimmer ReliefNet. Energize your creativity with AI.